The ECO27 from tankless water heater brand EcoSmart is an energy-efficient model that's suitable for an entire single-family home. This compact electric tankless water heater offers accurate temperature control and is self-modulating. This water heater has a digital control panel that allows you to adjust the temperature of the water output in 1-degree increments, giving you precise control. The ECO27 can run up to 4 showers and a sink at the same time, so you can run multiple applications simultaneously, which is a useful feature for a busy household. It offers a maximum flow rate of 6.5 gallons per minute. While it doesn't have an ENERGY STAR certification, the ECO27 is an energy-efficient model, promising 99.8% energy efficiency, so only 0.2% of the energy consumed is lost. However, the cooler the water at the inlet, the more energy the unit draws to heat the water to the chosen temperature. This hampers its efficiency, but even in cooler climates, very little energy is wasted. It's self-modulating, which means that this electric tankless water heater adjusts the amount of energy it draws based on how much water you're using and the temperature at which it is set. This feature ensures the temperature of the water meets your needs without wasting excessive energy. This tankless water heater is a compact model measuring 18 by 17 by 3.75 inches and weighing 13.75 pounds, so it fits into tight spaces. It has a sleek contemporary design and a low-maintenance copper and stainless steel construction for longevity and simple replacement.